This treadmill was sent to me for review. This is how it comes packaged. So it is a larger box and does indicate a team lift. So make sure that you have somebody with you to help you bring it inside. Here is the treadmill. I just opened the box and you can see here. So here's the walking pad. Here's the front part of that. And then it does come with the user manual, which is appreciated. And then you have some additional elements here as well. So I'm gonna get everything out of the packaging and I will check back in. You do get 4 of these stabilizers, so you are able to fold it and put it away, but I like that you do have some options to make it a little bit more stable when you have it and you're using it. So you have 4 of these and they just simply screw in, but you have one here, and then you have the 2 up top, so right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and screw this one in right here. And once you have all 4, the base is very, very solid. It's not gonna move on you, which I really, really like. It is nice and strong. It did also include the lubricant oil for the treadmill, which was appreciated because you definitely are wanting to make sure that you are lubricating your treadmill. So there are instructions in the user manual on exactly how often you want to do this. And it does come with a safety key, which is appreciated. This is just magnetic, so it pops on really nicely. So if you did need to pull it to stop the unit, you could do so. Okay, so once you plug it in, it is ready to go. It is nice and solid. You can see that I'm moving around. It's not moving around much. I do like that you have this little area you can put maybe a magazine or a cell phone or something or an iPad there. And then you have the 2 areas for your cup holders. And here is the main display. So you can see here that I would just simply need to hit this one and it's gonna give me a countdown. And then it will start. And you can see here that I'm just going really, really slow. Of course, it starts at a low speed, but I like that you have the indicators for the time, the speed, the distance. So depending on what you're looking for, you can just simply click through these buttons here to get more information on those. And if you wanted to turn up the intensity and the speed, you can do so here. And then again, if I pulled this off, it's gonna stop, as you can see there, as desired. You do have some options. Say that you want to program some workouts, you can do so here. You have up to 12 of those that you can program. You also have this option here that'll tell you, depending on if you're looking for a 30-minute workout or maybe more of like 40, you can adjust it as needed there, depending on your preferences. But yes, if I wanted to go, again, very, very easy to walk on this. I feel like the treadmill is wide enough so that you have a lot of space. And then you can see the visual indicator here nicely on the little LED screen. Again, I can turn up the speed, reduce the speed as needed. And then I also have my modes also. And if I needed to turn it off, I can simply do that. Here I am using the treadmill. I started walking and now I'm just running at a slower pace, but you can see that it is holding in place nicely. It's not wobbling. It's very easy for me to run on it consistently, and I feel like I am supported, and the feet placement on this is very good as well. So I'll show you how easy it is to fold it up. So once you're ready to fold it up, you just simply have to unscrew these ones, because again, these were your stabilizers. When you're ready to collapse a treadmill, you can just simply turn it off and then it folds down super, super easily. I really like this one because it is very lightweight. So if I needed to pick it up to move it, you can see that I'm doing this myself. It is very easy to lift up, and again, not super heavy, so I can maneuver it myself. I'm gonna show you up front that it does have 2 little wheels in the front of this. So if you needed to pick it up and kind of drive it around, depending on where you wanna put it, maybe you want to put it up against a wall or maybe under a piece of furniture or under the bed, you can do so easily. So overall, I really like this treadmill. It's very solid, very easy to store. I really like that I can run on it and walk on it. It is a great piece of equipment.